I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hey guys, so I know I've been gone. I've been MIA for a long time, and I just wanted to come and make a video and let you guys know that I will be restarting my videos, and I will be posting more, but I did have to get something off my chest. I gotta let you guys know what's been going on and why I've been MIA for a while. So I guess without, further ado, I should just get it all out there, right? Like, I should just say it, right? Well, the reason why I've been missing for the past few months, I think I haven't posted a video, is because dun, 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 I'm pregnant. Yes. We are expecting baby number, oh my God. Like, I have no freaking idea. Baby number 5. This is going to be my 5th child. Yeah. I am actually 20 weeks today made 20 weeks. So I'm 5 months pregnant. And I know I'm just not telling you guys. You're like, wait a minute, 5 months, what happened? But I went through a lot these last 5 months. Like, a lot has happened, emotionally, spiritually, and I know that everybody's going through a lot of things right now. I'm actually on the way to my doctor's office. My doctor's appointment for the baby. So that's where I'm going right now. But so I know everybody's going through a lot with COVID going on, and I didn't want to really, I don't know, I just didn't want to really deal with the fact that, I'm pregnant during a pandemic. Like, I mean, it's just rough on your mental, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if I could do, I still don't know. Like, I'm 20 weeks pregnant, I'm halfway through this pregnancy, and I'm still debating, like, how can I do this during a pandemic? Like, I'm just freaking out. I don't even know. And then, like, I just wasn't trying to have another baby. Like, we weren't trying to have another baby. Yeah, of course we know, the consequences of, not being protected. But we thought we were being careful, I guess. Kyler is almost 3. He'll be 3 next month. And I don't know. I guess we just thought we had it in the bag. My daughter before him is 11 years old. She just made 11 last week. So, I guess we just thought we had it in the bag to be able to be careful, but obviously not. So, I am pregnant. That is the reason why I've been gone. My first trimester was crap. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, a lot of women are just like, oh my God, like, I love being pregnant. I'm not one of those women. I'm going to make a video about my first trimester and everything that went on at that point in time. So be looking out for that video. But and I'm sorry about the glare on it just always happens when I'm in the truck. But, I'm going to make a separate video about my first trimester, because I know a lot of women out there need that information. So I'm going to make a separate video about that. Yeah, I'm pregnant. And there is, I don't know, okay. So, I'm happy, the baby is healthy. All my doctor's appointments so far says the baby's healthy, doing good. But I don't know. I've been really struggling with this pregnancy emotionally and mentally. I don't know why. Like, before my other pregnancies, I was just like, go with the flowy type thing, if that's even I was just go with the flow type, you know what I mean? And I was just like, okay, blah, blah. But for some reason, this pregnancy has just got me messed up in the head. Like, I'm just trying to figure out why I'm not, myself, if that makes sense. I don't know. I really struggled with making this video because I didn't want to seem ungrateful or unappreciative of my baby, of being pregnant and everything. Because I know a lot of women struggle with infertility, and a lot of parents would just love to have just at least one baby, you know what I mean? So I know the struggles of other parents, and I've had people on my Facebook, I've shared in their stories, and I've watched their struggles, and I just feel so bad for them. And I'm just like, here I am, 20 weeks pregnant, sitting here like, oh my God, I can't believe I'm pregnant, and I'm still going through the whole emotional phase about it. So I don't know. I don't really know what to do. So I just felt bad about making this video when there were so many other people out there, struggling, wanting to have babies, wanting to get pregnant. And, I'm sitting here like, wow. I don't know. I haven't told anybody. This is my first time coming out of the closet, I guess. I've only told one person in my family, besides, my immediate family, my kids and stuff, but I've only told one other person. And it's not that I'm trying to hide the pregnancy. I'm eventually gonna have to, say something, right? I'm going in the parking garage, so that's why it's getting dark. But I know I would have had to say something about the baby, but it's just that I just wasn't ready to admit that I was pregnant, or to let people know. I don't really know. I'm really struggling, guys. I don't know, but I'm trying to fight whatever this is that I'm going through. I'm trying to make it, and that's just it. Like, I don't even know what else to say at this point. I don't even know. I'm just trying to make it, you guys, okay? So don't, judge me. If you get on here and you're trying to judge me, then you can miss me with that. Just exit the video, because I don't have time for that, for real. I know that the emotions that I go through, probably, my baby will go through. I'm really trying, you guys. I'm really trying to get over whatever this is. But, so I'm just gonna make videos to, cope and deal with the struggles of what's going on. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe reach out more to my friends and family. I'm just a really private person sometimes, especially when it comes to things like this. Like, I'd rather just keep my emotions and my feelings inside rather than talk to somebody about it, because I feel like I'm burdening them, or I'm whining, or, I don't want to just burden people with, my problems. So I don't try to talk much about what's going on inside of me, and that probably is not a good thing, because then I just let the emotions and everything just build up, and then they kind of explode. So I know it happens, because I've done it many times, but I just feel like me telling people my issues and my problems and trying to, you know, get advice or help, it's just me crying and not being like strong enough to deal with my own emotional issues. I don't know. Again, I don't know, guys. But anyway, I didn't really want to make this video a long video. I just wanted to tell everybody what was going on with me. But that's it. I'm pregnant during a pandemic. And I'm looking on Facebook and I'm watching all the memes go by about being pregnant right now. And I'm just like it's straight trash. I don't even know what to do. That's why sometimes, like, if y'all follow me on Facebook or even Instagram, like, I'm really just MIA on there. I don't really post much and everything because I'm just over a lot of things. I don't know. Yep, that's what's going on with me. I'm pregnant during a pandemic. So if you guys found this video helpful or you want to leave an encouraging comment, leave that down below. I do want to start posting more videos for you guys, so I'm definitely going to try to get that going. So I'm sorry I left you guys hanging for a little while, but that's what's been up with me. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Done from the jump, up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Chatting line with the loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth, me in bed with the writing. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could they kick it. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of thing, what they find behind it. Why the suspicious behind the eyelid. Tell her reckless with the clauses. Careful with the cost me. Need it forever, but I never